Hey folks, this is going to be an awesome video because we're, oh zombie, what did I do to you, you poor thing? So let's delete this zombie, we'll get a fresh one. Go back to your, wherever zombies go. So we'll go to the view, toolbox, and we'll just get the basic drooling zombie. We don't want to get a virus, so we'll just use this one. Okay. So this drooling zombie, what we can do is attach it to this block right here. And this block, I've done some modifications. I've made it so that it's not anchored. If it's anchored, it won't move. And it cannot collide with things because you don't want it getting stuck on, I don't know, terrain and stuff. So we'll take this block and then we'll go inside the zombie. Zombie's got a lot of cool stuff. If you ever want to learn a lot, just read all this, the scripts inside it. So we'll take the humanoid root part, which is kind of like the core, and we will we'll select the humanoid root part and this block over here, and we will go to the model menu and create a weld. And it created a weld, but you need to click show welds so that you can see it. And you can see that I put a lot of welds. Everything in my Fox is welded together so that we can use it as so we can attach it to the zombie. So let's run it and see what happens. Man, I need to spin around my spawn. I always forget to do that. We'll do that. Because basically I spawn looking away from everything. And then I have to turn around, which is... Oh, my life is so hard. 3 kittens. Why is it so slow? Oh, because I'm recording. When will they make... Alright, see, this is why I want to spin my spawn around. Uh-oh. No! This block is attached to the zombie. Pretty cool, huh? So I can run through the block, and then the zombie will kill me. So let's do this. So that's pretty cool. I mean, that shows you the power of this. But we'll delete the weld that connects the zombie to the block. Now we will weld the zombie humanoid root part to this part that I call P base in the Fox. It's just like the center. And so we go and create a weld. Let's see how this works out. It's kind of like the zombie has a pet fox, which is kind of cute. Yeah, we can build a game around this. We'll make some foxes that run around and murder you. Call it Death Fox or Fox in Socks. Yeah, this thing's not playing around like, kill, whatever I am. Blizzard. Those are the fox's eyes. Feel cheated. All right, so that's looking cool. So next step, we will align the two. So so let's take the entire fox, and then the entire zombie, and use the align tool, which you all should know really well because it's like my most popular video, and I've made like 4 versions of it. So the align tool is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to align the centers of these 2 models in the X, Y, and Z planes, and we will align it relative to the active object, which is the one you click last. So it's going to it's going to align the fox with the zombie. Boop. Pretty cool, huh? But they're facing different directions. Where'd the zombie go? Zombie. Well, doesn't look like it aligned it. What's going on here? Oh, you know what's happening? Let's look at the center point for these models. So fox, where's the pivot? Reset. I don't know. So zombie, it's in your head. Reset. I don't know. All right, so let's try this again. So we'll take this model of the fox and the model, let's close this thing up, of our friendly zombie. Or no, we'll just do it to the humanoid root part. And then we will align them. Perfect. Wait, the heck? What the? Man, I've made this video like 10 times. There's always one little new thing. All right, be like that. So Command Z that. Command Z that. Where's the zombie underground? Zombie. Back here. All right, so let's just do it the old-fashioned way. We'll just grab this model, or no, we'll grab the model of the drilling zombie, and we will. What am I doing here? F. So, do I have them both selected? All right, zombie. Oh, this pivot point is way out there, so let's reset the pivot on the zombie. Now it'll work. All right, so the pivot point is like the center of an object, and sometimes when you're building stuff, it just gets in the wrong place. All right, so click on zombie and fox, and we will align them, and then we're going to turn the zombie like 90 degrees to the right, clockwise. All right, so the heck's going on here? All right, so let's Command Z that. Oh, maybe the weld wants to maintain that distance. All right, so we will get the, because when you weld something, it's saying like this thing is 5 feet away from this thing, and they're stuck together. So without the weld, this should work. Fox, zombie. All right, so the fox has got a center point that's correct. The drooling zombie, it's got a center point that's good. So we will move this drooling zombie to the fox. The heck's got, oh, I'm pressing a weird button. Never do that. Drooling zombie, fox. And we will, so it's going to align them both with the fox. We'll turn the drooling zombie clockwise by 90 degrees. Oh, come on. All right, so now I think they're facing the same direction. And so let's connect the humanoid root part to my root part that I created, that I designated in this model. And we shall weld them. The fox shall be a murderer. Zombie hungry. That's what you get to do when you're a YouTuber. Zombie voices. It's a requirement. They make you pass a test. If you want to monetize your channel, do a zombie voice. Rate it from 1 to 10. Zombie like fox. I think they're more like zombie like fox. Kind of more nihilist, more resigned. So, guess we got to turn zombie 90 degrees to the right, huh? How did I mess that up? It's pretty cool though, right? It's like the zombie is riding the fox. It's like they're pals. So what did I say? Zombie goes 90 degrees to the right. Pretty sure. Oh, does that? Yeah, okay. Now they're facing the same way. Okay, and we're gonna skip to a next step. So let's just make everything in the zombie invisible. I tried deleting it all, but there's all these scripts that are like, go find the left arm. And if there's no left arm, it throws an error. All right, so let's just go transparency and make the transparency 100%. Bye-bye, zombie. Zombie sad. Zombie sad. I'm working on it. It's not finished yet. All right, how long is this video? Wake up. You guys asleep in the back there? Well, I mean, you've seen it's so good to see me troubleshoot stuff, because you're going to have all sorts of problems, and you gotta sort of have a methodology for how you're going to squeeze in on the problem, you know, from which direction. Look at that. The undead fox. Is there any zombie left that you can see? Yeah, there's like some characteristics of the zombie, but we won't fix that. And then the zombie just comes and murders me. Ah! We could make the fox a little bit higher, but I'm sure you've got stuff to do. You got to flip your laundry or something. Anyways, thanks. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can monetize this. Bye bye. Zombie